Hi guys, welcome back. So this is gonna be a unboxing for the fourth muster. Sorry if I sound a little tired. Been up since 3 o'clock this morning. Let's check out this beauty. Sorry, I had to change location. Okay, so these little things. Oh, my sister's gonna love this. She loves Hobie. Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. So I got mine from Choice Music. Oh, it's a little Tay one too. Look at that. Says hello from music or Choice Music. We hope all is well with you. We just wanted to thank you. Aw. Yeah. So with ordering from Choice Music, they give you little goodies in store. I've shopped. They are located in LA. That's where mostly I get my stuff when it comes to BTS. So look at that. Oh, the lights in here suck. Okay, so sorry if the lighting's not that great. So there it is. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful packaging. I know there's like 2 types of armies when it comes to unboxing. Oh, did I forget my knife downstairs? I did. Okay, so it's gonna take a second to try to get this open. They're your armies who, you know, carefully and precisely open it. Like somebody I know, Francine. And you have me, where I'm just like, I want it open right now. There it is. Can't really see the top. How does this open? Oh, what is this? Like, is it a little, it's like a little hologram. Okay, I honestly don't know how to open this, and I don't want to like rip it open. Oh, it's magnetic. Okay. Oh, that's so cute. Booklet. It's in here. Sorry if you see my cat in the background. Oh, this is awesome. Look at how cute. And it has the happy ever after on this side. Now, I obviously wanted to get this because of the set list. A lot of their Japanese songs are on here, and well, here, take a look at the set list here. So I kind of like trying to stay away from it as much as possible. It's hard to. Oh, look at this. You can see me in the background. Oh, that's so cool. Your first page here just says happy ever after. Aw, second page. Open the memory cloud, it says. There's a picture of the boys down below, the army bomb up above. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Handsome, handsome. Look at that. Okay, I could stay on that page forever. So, oh, you like seriously? They just hit me with my 1-2, like my freaking bias and my bias wrecker. You can't do this. Look at how handsome he is. Little meow meow. Ooh, look at Jen. Says open the memory cloud. Ooh, look at, and then my sister's 1-2. You have Jin and then her J-Hope. Like, oh, that's such a good picture of him. My goodness, ball of sunshine. Look at Jimin. Look at Jimin. Tay, get it? Yes. Look at how precious he looks in the second one, though. Oh my goodness, when is this man gonna become a model? Jungkook! Look at... He's so manly now. Look at that, so precious! Alright, we back. We have time now. Look at this preciousness. I think we already went through this one. Oh, look at Yoongi's pout. Like, seriously, what the heck, man? Oh my gosh. Jungkook and Jimin. Oh, I can't wait to watch this now. Gotta get through the pictures first. It's already cuteness overload. Oh, look at Jimin. Aw, J-Hope. Seriously, like, oh, it says worldwide on there. Look at that. Perfection. Oh my goodness. Are they eating cotton candy? It says best memories. Look at that. Oh wow, that looks so realistic. Like, I was like, what the heck? I honestly thought that was my army bomb for a moment. I was like, wow. I know I have my second one out because I used it this morning for the Genie Awards. Wow, it just like popped out. Oh, look at that. Is that... No, I thought that was like, was that Lilo and Stitch? Look at this. Being precious already. Look at Tay. Look at the... Look. Oh my goodness. Walking down that catwalk, like... Look at him. Oh. I swear. Oh dang, look at Yoongi. Look at him. He looks oh gosh. And then, you know, you just gotta have RM in the background lurking. So I'm guessing they did different costumes for each day, because it's the little shark. Look at... What is he? Is he a carrot? We'll find out, or... Oh, that is precious. Oh my goodness. Oh, that... Yes. Sorry, my cat keeps running by. Oh my gosh, look at him. Look at him! Why does he do this to me? Pourquoi? I don't mean to be yelling into the mic, but y'all understand. Oh yeah, I remember seeing this. Precious, just precious. Ooh, oh, nope, not ready for mic drop. Never ready for mic drop. That's so cool though. Mike, Bungie. Ooh. Can you imagine all the pictures we haven't seen? Ugh, the lighting here is terrible. Look at him. Oh, this is a good one. Cool beans. It's so funny to see like the contrast. You have like all this like cute stuff in the background, and then they're all dressed kind of all hip hop and stuff. Oh, I forgot this comes with a card. We will see soon. Who do you guys think it is? Place your comments down below. We'll find out in a second. Good pictures, good pictures. Oh my goodness, Yoongi wearing a freaking headband. Should be illegal for all of them. All right. So, who do you guys think it is? Who? I got Tay. Look at him. That is is awesome. Oh, okay. You can't just do that. You can't. No. You got cute. And then you turn it around and it's just like bam. Oh, that's awesome. Look at this. Look at that, precious. I will not be taking this out. It will stay in. Yeah, I'm one of those people where I keep everything in like in the booklet. Ooh, dang, Jungkook. Okay, okay, just Tae here. Oh, same to you, Tae. Don't get off easy. Ooh. Sorry, I'm trying to get a good lighting position. Next. Where is that? Looks like mic drop still. Yes, it is. So epic, seriously. Inside Out. Looks like a game. This is next page on there. It has them in the corner. Aww. Next page. Look at these pictures. Look at. I love when they wear berets. Oh. I swear this year went by so freaking quickly. Look at this preciousness to the max. Look at each. I see you, Tae. You, me. Look at this. That's cute. Aww. I love when Yoongi does this little like oh my goodness. That's a good picture of JK. I swear the faces that this man makes. Oh, I'm gonna hit. Oh, that's cool. I seriously want to see them in Japan though. I don't know if I could be as quiet though. I'm really loud at concerts, so it may not be a good fit. Look at that. Oh, okay. Okay, I see you, Jungkook. Ooh, Tae. Illegal. Illegal. Oh, June! Oh my goodness. Look at this man's smile, I swear. Brings me to tears sometimes. Jungkook. RM. Ooh, Tae. I like this picture. They all have such pretty hands. It's ridiculous. Oh, that's precious. That is too precious. My goodness. My goodness. Oh. Okay, Yoongi. What? Who asked you? Nobody has to, actually. Look at precious Jimin. Oh, okay. Look at. Okay. That neckline though. Look at. Obviously from DNA. He looks like he's gonna like he's pretending to fly. Oh, so cool. Oh my goodness. Guardians of the Army Bomb. I can't wait to see this skit, honestly. I've seen it before. It was hilarious the first time around. Oh well. Ooh. Yeah, I remember seeing all the different outfits that they had for these Japanese concerts, and I was just floored at like, when will we ever get anything? And sure enough, you know, come the North American tour, they brought some of those outfits here, and long story short, we're not ready for it. I was not ready for it. I remember seeing the lace, I forget for what song it was, but yeah, just seeing them in laces, just it's too much. It's behind the stage. All their mics. That's cool. I like to see what their inner pieces say. Okay, JK. Look at him. Look at. Does this man like? He's never not handsome. Oh, that's it. Okay, I'm not gonna spoil it. Look at Hobie Hill. Coming up on the end, you guys. Alright. We left that here. We only have like 4 more pages left. Oh, I love watching them in their dance practices. Seriously. I wish they would do more Bangtan bombs. I feel like we've gotten away from that. But for good reason, obviously. They're so busy. That's a good one. Oh, that's a good picture. Alright, and that pretty much wraps it up. It's happy ever after. So yeah, guys, go ahead and subscribe if you want more Bangtan related stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and watch these, get some sleep. Oh, I gotta put it away first, so. So yeah, that wraps it up, you guys. Go ahead and subscribe for more content. Bye, you guys.